Hello guys, today I want to tell you how to not suck at Ableton. Live. 10. 1. Use Command F to search for most epic samples of plugins, then use arrow keys and enter to load it up. DOS. Use OTT.
And it's totally, everybody knows about that. What are you even trying to tell me right now? This is ridiculous.
Use the time knob to alter the overall reaction time, to lose nasty artifacts in the tail or remove harshness of the track, turning it respectively. 3. Use the arrow button in the bottom left corner to make this video redundant. 4. Use racks to create parallel sound effects right in the channel. 5. Sidechain that sound effect right to its input signal to create this sick effect. 6. Trigger your kick sidechain ghost node with an external MIDI instrument in a rack with your actual kick, so every time you kick the kick you send out a MIDI trigger to your sidechaining device. 7. Create a template you're comfortable with. Number 8. Come back next time to learn more crazy Ableton stuff.